thrilled to announce our next online cinema best of the fest. Sanjeewa Pushpaumara's Burning Birds is one of these little jewels that we come across every now and then. Primarily, Burning Birds is a passionate indictment about how women struggle and reach martyrdom in a war-torn Sri Lanka in 1989. The story revolves around a widow's psychological and physical descent into hell as she goes to extreme to feed her family. To quote The Hollywood Reporter,
Anoma Jandari as the widow delivers a powerfully rugged tour de force. Shunning easy histrionics, the veteran actor offers a remarkable performance showcasing her character's silent, stoic spirit. A Sri Lankan Sisyphus, struggling against insurmountable odds, but persisting nevertheless.
Chandari won for her performance the AWFF Snow Leopard Best Actress Award in 2017. Powerful, rugged characterization without artifacts and brilliant direction of Sanjeewa, the movie moves you and makes you call for justice. Burning Birds reads like a lyrical poem. Enjoy and follow us for all future events.